Have you ever thought that the solution to boosting your fat burning might be in your cup? Today, we'll discover 5 natural drinks that not only help accelerate your metabolism, but also bring numerous health benefits. Get ready to take note of these practical and delicious tips. If you want something really revolutionary, I ask you to click on the first link in the description. Let's start with a classic. Green tea with lemon. Rich in antioxidants, green tea is known for its ability to speed up metabolism and enhance calorie burning. When we add lemon, we combine the benefits of a thermogenic fruit that also aids digestion. The tip is to drink 1 to 2 cups throughout the day, preferably before meals. Next, a refreshing and powerful combo, pineapple and ginger juice. Pineapple aids digestion and reduces bloating, while ginger is a natural thermogenic that boosts fat burning. To prepare, blend 2 slices of pineapple, a teaspoon of grated ginger, and a glass of cold water. Drink it immediately, and for an extra touch, add ice to make it even more delicious. How about trying eggplant water with lemon? This drink is excellent for detoxifying the body and reducing water retention. Simply soak slices of half an eggplant in a jar with a liter of water overnight. The next day, add the juice of half a lemon and drink throughout the day, a practical option for those looking to see visible results on the scale. Another simple and effective option is cinnamon and apple water. Cinnamon is a thermogenic spice that helps speed up metabolism, while apples provide fiber for satiety. To prepare, place a slice of apple and a cinnamon stick in a liter of water and let it rest for a few hours. This drink is perfect for staying hydrated throughout the day and keeping your metabolism active. Finally, we have the famous green juice. Packed with fiber and nutrients, it helps eliminate toxins and stimulates fat burning. To prepare, blend 1 kale leaf, the juice of half a lemon, 1 slice of pineapple, and a glass of cold water. The result is a nutritious drink that can be enjoyed on an empty stomach or before main meals. These drinks are great allies for those seeking results naturally and healthily, but remember, they work best when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise. Try adding one of these options to your routine and let us know in the comments which one was your favorite. Enjoyed it? Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell for more tips like this. Thanks for watching.